There are a lot of ways to do affiliate marketing. For instance, you can promote courses, you can promote books, you can promote coupons, you can be on shopping directories, you can do cost per action, you can do file sharing, you can do email marketing, and through email marketing you can then sell your products or at least be an affiliate for products. You can, insert affiliate links into blogs and so on and so on. Now, but there's in my mind no better opportunity to become an affiliate than Amazon. So Amazon.com, or in my case now Amazon.de, because I'm in Germany, Amazon.com or DE is, well, the platform that we all know and love. So basically a platform where you can purchase products. Now, Amazon itself is massive. It's a multi-billion dollar business, and they heavily rely on affiliates. So what exactly is an affiliate? An affiliate is a person that sells their products for them and receives a commission for that. So the affiliate commission on Amazon most of the time is between 4 and 6%. So if a product costs, let's say $100, you're gonna receive around $4 or up to $6 as a commission. So how can you become an affiliate on Amazon? Now, what I want you to do is I just want you to scroll down, and then down here, we have this field. We have, for instance, careers down here. We got Amazon Logistics, Imprint, and so on and so on. Amazon Pay, Fulfillment by Amazon, Associates Program, gift cards. And then over here, we also got Amazon Assistant, manage your content and devices, returns and placements, and so on and so on. What I want you to do right now is actually click right here on See All. And when you do so, you can then actually sign up to become an affiliate directly on Amazon. Now, of course, it was just the German translation, but if you want to become a partner, you can do that here at any given time. So you can sign up as an affiliate down here at any given time. I just want to go with you over an example product right here. So let's, for instance, imagine we want to sell an Amazon Echo Dot. Then what we can do is we can sell this product as an affiliate. So basically, when we sign up as an affiliate here on Amazon, we can go to any product here on this platform and get a so-called affiliate link. So what exactly does that mean? We receive a link to a product, and when people then click on this link and purchase the product, we are going to receive 4 to 6% as a commission. And if they then afterwards purchase any other product, or if they click on the link and purchase not this product that we send to them or that we try to push to them, but any other product, we are still going to receive 4 to 6%. Let's imagine they're buying 3 products that all cost $100, and we have a commission of, let's say, 4%. In this case, we're actually going to earn $12. So on Amazon, you can literally go and find anything. You can buy and sell anything here on this platform, and that makes it for affiliates so great to promote products, because you can just go on here on Amazon, type anything in you want, whether it is, some kind of technological device, whether it's a drone, whether it's a book. You can find anything on here and you can sell it as an affiliate, and you will always receive 4 to 6% as a commission. Now, why is this so important? Why is it so interesting? Well, you can of course actively promote these links by, for instance, promoting them via Facebook ads. But what you can also do is you can insert them into your blog. You can put them below your YouTube videos, in your description, and of course in any other place where you think you're going to get a lot of traffic.